People have built a myth that good and next-level video editing can only be done on software like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, but the reality is different. There are still some video editing software available in the market that are not only alternatives to Premiere Pro, but also completely free. In this video, I will provide you with the top 5 best video editing software that you can easily use on your 2 GB RAM PC without any graphics card. The best part is that you don't even need to search for these video editors because you can find all their links on my website. So, let's start from number 5.
Let's roll.
Guys, this video editing software is best for beginners who have no experience in editing at all. OpenShot is basically an open-source video editor available for PC, Mac, and Linux. In this video editor, you can export videos up to 16K resolution. In terms of size, it's not too large either, just 191 MB. You can see how simple its interface is, and using it is also very straightforward. You just need to add your videos here and drop them onto the timeline. You can add transitions between clips, apply effects, and even add emojis. Whatever you want to add, just drop it onto the timeline and it will be added. In addition, you can also add effects to your audio and remove noise. To export your video, simply click on this button, choose the quality, and your video will be exported. At number 4, we have the Shotcut Video Editor. This is also a lightweight video editor designed for a low-end PC. In terms of size, it's not too large, just 281 MB. The interface may be a bit more complicated compared to OpenShot, but you get more features such as keyframes, timeline filters, etc. In this video editor, you can do advanced level audio editing that you might not find in other video editors. Additionally, you can customize this video editor and even change themes. While there are many more features to discuss, we need to move on to covering other software, so let's move on to the next one. If you're an Android user, you must have tried this video editor, because this video editor was initially available for mobile, but now you can use it on both PC and Mac without any emulator. In terms of size, it's quite compact, just 500 MB. To import a video, you need to click on Import and select the video. In this video editor, you can add effects, text, use masking tools, and animation. The coolest feature of this app for me is the auto caption feature. You can add captions to your videos using this feature. Additionally, you'll get various transitions and audio effects that make your voice sound more realistic. There are many other options available as well, but covering them all in one video is not possible. So let's move on to the next video editor. The software at the second position is not only an editor, but also a screen recorder and webcam recorder. In terms of size, it's just 80 MB. If you're a content creator or record tutorials with a webcam, this software would be the best choice for you, as it allows you to easily record webcam footage. When it comes to the video editor, it's not entirely free, but if you need to do basic level editing, you can still use its free version. In terms of interface, it's quite simple compared to other video editors. With this video editor, you can export videos up to 4K resolution. As you can see, I'm using the free version, but it still provides many features. So if you want to do editing from basic to advanced levels, this video editor could be the best option for you. Guys, when it comes to editing on PC and the name of software like Filmora doesn't come up, it's not possible. Filmora is a high-end video editing software available for PC, Mac, Android, and iOS. Although it's a paid video editor, you can still do editing comfortably on its free version. There are various versions available in the market, but this one is considered the best for 2 GB RAM-C. The interface of Filmora is quite like CapCut, but it has a feature that you won't find in CapCut. With this feature, you can directly add stock footage to your timeline. In this video editor, you'll get access to over 1,000 audio, titles, transitions, and effects. When it comes to export quality, you can also export videos up to 4K resolution. However, the problem is that if you export the video in the free version, you'll see a watermark. So friends, these were the 5 best video editors that you can install on your 2 GB RAM PC. Let me know in the comments which one you like the most. And if you want to download them, you can do so from my website. Also, if you're looking for a low-end browser for your PC, click on the video on the left, and that way, we'll meet again.